SakaFed. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I will be making some stuffed codfish buns. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get baking. These are all the ingredients that we are going to need to make our bun. The exact amount will be listed in the description box below. First, we are going to mix the yeast and sugar with some warm water. First, I'm just going to use 1 cup of warm water. Just going to mix my yeast. So, have some warm water and I'll put the sugar in and just kind of let the sugar dissolve a bit before I put the yeast in. Next, we put our yeast and just give it a little stir. Now I'm just going to leave this, let it sit for about 5 minutes until I'm ready for it. So next step, I'm going to warm up my milk. I'm just going to try to put it for about 30 seconds, not too long, because I don't want it to get hot and boil over. Now I'm just going to get started. So first thing, just pour all your flour in your mixer. Now if you don't have a mixer, you can do this by hand. No, it's very easy. It's just pour everything the same way in the bowl and just knead it by hand. Flour in here. Next, I'm going to add some salt, sugar. You just want to stir that up. Then I have 3 eggs. I'm just going to crack the eggs. I'm using the same bowl I had the flour in. Now with this recipe, I'm using 3 eggs because you want to get it nice and light. That's the reason for the 3 eggs and butter. And I'm going to use the melted butter as well. So that's going to make it really, really nice and fluffy. So we pour the eggs in. Next thing, butter. And you can see I say melted butter. It's better. Just make sure you let it cool off before you pour it in. Stir that in. I'm going to put my yeast in. So pour that in there. And milk. And again too, you want to warm your milk. Don't get it hot, but just warm enough. And you put everything in there. You give it a stir. And then we're going to turn on our little machine here. And it's going to do the kneading for me. Okay, so let's get mixing. Lock it in place and turn it on. Okay, let's look at our dough. And you can see nice and soft. And like I say, this is a soft, really soft bun. So okay, so I'm gonna move that over. And I'm just gonna wash my hands and then I can handle it. So I'm just gonna take that off here. And you can see nice and soft. I'm just going to transfer it to another bowl and cover it up and just let it rise. So I'm going to leave it for about an hour And I'm gonna put it aside here so it can sit there and it will do its thing. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my codfish ready to stuff the buns. Now we are going to make the stuffing for our codfish buns. And first ingredient is my codfish. And I actually did soak it for a full day and then overnight. Then I boiled it out for a couple times. And this is what I have left. This I'm going to chop it up really fine. To that, I'm going to add some green seasoning. Now my green seasoning is a combination of parsley and cilantro, chives, some thyme, red pepper. I have onion, garlic, hot pepper. So it's a combination of a lot of fresh ingredients. I have one onion. I'm going to cut it up really fine, and a little bit of curry powder just to give it a little bit of color and just a little of that curry taste. So now let's get this started. So I'm turning this on and just going to let it heat up, and then we can start frying up. I'm going to put some butter in. So this is what I'm going to fry my onions. Good. Now this is our butter is melted. I'm going to put these onions in. And we just want to cook these down. Now what I'm going to do is turn down the heat because I don't want them cooking too quickly. They might burn. So just turn it down and let them cook. So what do you want to do? Let's crush these up. And we want to make sure they're in really, really small pieces. This is so good when you bite into that bun and you taste that cod seasoned so nicely. Just a nice little surprise in the middle. And I think that's pretty good here. And let's check the onions. See, that's good. Now we can add the little curry to that. Just let it roast a bit. And that curry is going to complement the cod so nicely. It's just a really good combination with the green seasoning and the curry. Now I'm going to add this green seasoning. I'm just going to pour it all in. And I have a little extra butter. I'm going to put that in. Everything coming together. So this is why I'm saying you don't want to add any tomatoes or anything that's going to make your cod mushy or wet, because you want it really dry. So when you put it in your bread, it's not going to be soggy. So you don't want to use oil. You want to use butter when you're frying it. Okay? So you see it's nice and dry. And I'm just going to turn it off and let it cool, because you want to make sure it's nice and cold when you put it into the bun. You don't want it hot. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, that's your codfish. This is our dough 1 hour later. So what I'm going to do now is just cut them into pieces. We're going to take it out. You see that here? Okay. I'm going to put it on here. All right, look at that, eh? So what I'm going to do is cut them into our bun size. So we have that here. So we want to just cut like that. I don't know how many I'm going to get, but that's it. So these are our pieces, and what we're going to do now is stuff them. Now we are going to make our stuffed buns. So we're going to get that ready, and you can see it's nice and soft. So I'm just going to open them up. See, like that. Just want to open them up. Okay. Make it like a little pocket, and we're going to put it in here, and I'm going to put enough, so I'm going to put 2 spoons, and you just want to close it up now. So you're going to bring that over like that. I'm going to close it up, see, like that, and then you round it up, shape it, look at that, and you want to put it down where you close it. So we're gonna put it here, and I'm just gonna put 2 together here. I'm gonna try them like this because you don't want them too close, they're gonna spread again. Can you imagine giving somebody a bun and then they open it up and voila, surprise. Don't tell them it's stuffed. Just say, oh, have a bun. So let's get the oven on. So we're gonna bake for our buns, 350. And as soon as that's ready, I can put them in. In the meantime, I'm gonna do an egg wash on top of them, and just wait. And that's it. Nice and pretty, huh? All right, our oven is ready. Slide these out. I have to go sideways. Okay, and that's it. So after half an hour, I'm going to check them, and hopefully they'll be done by then. This is done, but let's check the other one. And it's been 35 minutes. And these are done. Look at that. These are done. Yeah, nice and ready. You can make them a little smaller, but I like them big, so it's like lunch. One is lunch or breakfast. Nice with a cup of cocoa tea, hot cocoa tea. Oh, that's delicious. If you make some hot cocoa and you have with one of that for breakfast, absolutely delicious. Or lunch, perfect. Let's try it again. That bun is so soft. It's almost creamy. All the butter and the milk, absolutely delicious. And here you have it, guys, our delicious stuffed codfish buns. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again next time. Until then, God bless.